from Tech, and welcome to our sound suppression. Sorry about that. Hi there, guys. It's Izzy from Tech Tire, and we're here to welcome you to the Tech University's Sound Suppression Passenger Tire Puncture Repair course. In this course, we'll discuss the procedures, tools, and special techniques used to perform a proper one-piece puncture repair on sound suppression tires. Today, we'll be using Tech's Uniseal Ultra Repair. Sound suppression tires are designed for electric vehicles, or EVs for short. These tires contain a special designed sound deadening foam material that helps reduce road noise for a quieter cabin. These foam inserts and the adhesive used to secure them to the inner liner of the tire create some new challenges to perform a proper repair. But don't worry, Tech has you covered with the procedures you need to properly repair sound suppression tires. Okay, as you remember during our Tires 101 course, we introduced a simple acronym, REPAIR, to help you remember the steps used to perform a proper puncture repair. And that's exactly the same procedure we're going to use for sound suppression tires, but with a few added preparation steps. To review, R represents remove the tire from the wheel and inspect. E stands for evaluate the injury. P, prepare the injury. And on sound suppression tires, this is where we'll need to do a little extra work. A is for apply vulcanizing fluid. I, install the repair. And R, return to service. All right, with this introduction complete, you're now ready to begin your sound suppression passenger tire puncture repair course. If you have any questions, contact the course instructor or send an email to training@trc4r.com. See you soon in your next Tech University training video.